MARÉE has sent us a bunch of their products. So when I saw this overnight lip mask, I knew I had to try it. So it has collagen, vitamins A and E, coconut oil, hyaluronic acid, and I just absolutely love this container. And you've got the cute little brush that goes with it. So I'm literally opening it for the first time, and we're going to check it out together. So, ooh, nice and beautiful. There's nothing like opening a fresh package of something. So basically what you are meant to do with the little brush here, or of course you can use your finger. They do say in the evening to just kind of, let's go ahead and use the brush because it's here and because I just think it's so cute. So what do we do here? Okay, ooh, nice. So they do say if you're going to put it on at night, you want to take a more generous amount, and you're just going to apply it to your lips, and then in the morning your lips are meant to be nice and soft. Of course, if you still have some on, I'm assuming that your lips will completely absorb them, but if not, you can of course wipe anything off. This is probably way too much, but that's okay. And then they do say, of course, you can put it on during the day, but you're going to want to just put on a thin layer. So yeah, basically I put on way too much, but I have extremely chapped lips, and this is going to it feels so smooth. I can feel that coconut. Actually even tastes really good too. So yeah, I can't wait for my journey to beautiful smooth lips.